Welcome this video. Extra large plants of outside pouch create a welcome and style outdoor space often start with plants at the away your display those plants can make all the different well smart post look charm extra large plants bring dream elegant and functional to the gardening patio or front porch. The good news is you do have a space and of dollar on oversized stone plants. You can make your honoring with a little created and some basic material. Extra large plants can be affordable during a complement customization to your outdoor space. Well walk those define a way to build excellent long plants for outside in charge design idea make step by step incorrected type of your plants less seasoning after seasoning how choose extra large plants long plants make a both statement and solved multifunctional incorrect oversized pouch create a focal point rather than replace add an entrance away on the depth or in the gardening. Plants fixability big plants allow you to grow Long gardening, sub, small tree, or even mix different plants on one side. More mean better and less stem. One plant's root hot summer month. Customization by make your awning. You can choose shape, size, and finish to define much your outdoor design. Material of consider before build on the metal that work best for your project. Some give water, affordability, easy to cut, size, and give a rustic, natural look. Redwood, pine, an excellent choice of for outdoor use. Material type of stone can be repurposed into long plants for a frame house, individual style. Extra large wood plants box. One of the easiest way to make a big plants is by